name is Tute Winsel Chigamba. I always say an artist is a soldier of peace. When I say so, whenever an artist is playing, and you don't know if an artist is from DRC, from America, from Australia, people love this song, and the friendship is there, and there is peace when he plays his songs. People want to listen to his songs and want to listen to his words. And are they words of wisdom or are they just words? Like my composition, I composed Ngozi Emrora. From Ngozi Emrora, I had Pasimpindu, I had Dande Mtande, and I had Masongano from the same song. Just changing the key and play another song. Yeah. Like the one we played lastly, it's my song also. It's like when we start, it's like Chipembere, but at the end, it's different. It's my song also, Vasinakatura. And Vasinakatura, it means, lazy people, when the rain starts, they go somewhere, they leave their fields until when they come back, they say, this year we didn't do anything in our fields. So when they go, to every house, looking for something, begging, then we call them Vasinakatura. Vasinakatura, those people who do not have a silo. You don't have a silo to put your crops, so you go begging from other people. Yeah. So that's my song, Vasinakatura. Chipembere, it's a song to educate people. Like before, we used to have animals, and people used to live in jungle, and there were animals like Chipembere, elephants and the rhinoceros, elephants and the lions, cheetah and leopards also. Those animals. So the most dangerous animal is Chipembere and the elephant. But the elephant doesn't attack anytime. But Chipembere, if you come across, then you fight. And they composed a song and called it Chipembere. But Chipembere is to educate people that whenever you go out in the bush, remember there's Chipembere. If you come across Chipembere, find ways how to deceive that animal, because it can be dangerous to you. And these days, the Chipembere now we are afraid of today is the cars. When you go, when you walk alongside the road, you must remember that there are cars. You might be crushed there. That's why, they composed the song Chipembere to educate people. Whenever you go, you must make sure there are some things, dangerous things you meet, and you have to be careful. So that's Chipembere. Hey, ndimi mune mhuri dzese, ndimi makachengeta mhuri dzese, ndimi mune utengwa hwese, ndimi munotitarisa, ndimi makatipakatira. Saka izvi tinozwira kwamuri, ndimi muchatarisa mhuri dzese dziri mubango muno nedziri mumapango akasiyana siyana, ndimi muchatarisa. Ndimi makati ememe guta ndo dziri kunze, nhete dziri mumapango dzinofa nenzara, ndimi makazvitaura izvo. Saka aiwa tinozvisiyira kwamuri mateteguru, ndimi munoziva kwamuno isoko kamuudze ndimi munoziva. Isesi tinoti madzimbabwe ndirenyi imwe chete, ndimi munoziva pamunobvira. Mhuri dziri munyika munomu dzinoda kurarama, dzinoda kutariswa, zvionekwawo sevanhu. And we should make peace. That's the last word. Peace is the only word to the people.